Here we have the PlayStation 3 mainboard. We've got our reality synthesizer RSX chip here, which is cut down, which is basically not cut down, or slightly modified NVIDIA 7800 GTS. And here we have the IBM Cell broadband engine, albeit a cut down version of it. This is a 6-core version. And what we're going to do is we're going to hot air gun the top of the chips, and what this does is it remounts the solder that is under the chips. It reflows it. Now this sometimes isn't a permanent fix, so you've got to make sure you get it really hot, and whatever you do not move the board until it has fully cooled off. So give it a good half hour or so to make sure it has fully cooled off when you're doing this. Right, I'm just going to apply some heat and I'm good. Move the hot air gun slowly around the perimeter of the chip, heating all of it up evenly. The hairdryer will not work for this as it's nowhere near hot enough. Chip number 1 done. Now what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to let that chip cool and then get onto the other one, the Cell broadband engine, and heat that up. Now some people take the thermal paste off before they heat it up, but I'm going to do it afterwards, seeing as it's on there. It's going to help spread the heat, so might as well leave it on there. I'll just clean it off afterwards. So I'll move on to the next chip in about 20 minutes or so. Okay, that concludes this video. Okay, right.